Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Irwin ready to do math with you again today. So today we're going to do some more of that finding things that are the same kind of. So our I can is I can classify. Ooh, that word classify means to decide what goes together. Like we had been classifying if it was exactly the same or not exactly the same. So we're going to kind of decide and sort them into what they would be. So I can classify to find two objects that share a visual pattern. Visual just means it looks the same, so a pattern that looks the same. Color and use. That means how we would use it. So we're going to find some different ways that we can sort things out, that we can put them together. So the first way we're going to look at is that visual pattern. So I have some cards to help us do this today. And it's going to look a little bit different because they're going to be almost the same, but not exactly the same. So let's start with these two. Is there something that's the same about them? Yeah, they both have stripes, don't they? But what color are these stripes? Red, rojo. And what color are these? Purple, you're right. So they're almost the same, but we could still match them based on their pattern of stripes. Okay, let's try another one. What about these two? They're almost the same. What is the same about them? They both have dots or circles or whatever you said for that. But this one is green and this one is black. So they have the same pattern, but they're different colors. So they're almost the same. They could still match for the pattern. All right, let's try another one. Ready? What about these? No, they are not a match. You're right. This one has orange squares, and this one has pink wavy lines. So those don't have any kind of match in them at all. I wonder if I can find the matches for those. What about this? Nope, still brown squares now and pink wavy lines. Those don't work. What about these? Yes, they're almost the same. They have the same pattern. Say that word, pattern. Because they're both wavy lines. One is blue and one is pink, but they're both wavy lines, so those match the pattern. And let's look at our last one. What do you think? They're almost the same. They have the same pattern. Our pattern is squares. So one is brown and one is orange, but they have the same pattern to match with. Good job. So that's finding our objects that have the same pattern. We've done some with some color already, but we're going to also look at another way, the way that things are used. So that means they're kind of used together. So let me show you an example to help us understand it. So when we use a plate, so there's our plate, sometimes we also use a fork. So we see these together a lot of the time. So these go together. They work together. A plate and a fork because we use them together. Let's see if we can find some more. Ooh, here's one that we use for school. Pencil and paper. They go together because you use the pencil to write on the paper. So these work together. They have the same use. All right, let's try some other ones. You can give me thumbs up, thumbs down. You can tell me, yes, those go together, or nope, those don't work. Ready? What about mustard and ketchup? Mustard and ketchup. What do you think? Yes, they go together because they're both things we might put on like a hamburger or a hot dog. They are called condiments. That's a big word, but they go together. Let's try this one. Ready? Desk and dog. What do you think? Do a desk and a dog go together? No, we don't have a desk and a dog. That one does not go together. What about a bone and a dog? Do those go together? Yes, those work together because the dog likes to have the bone. Those go together. Ooh. Let's see. What about a desk and a chair? Do those go together? Yes, because you sit at the desk in the chair. So those go together. What about a ball and a cake? Do those go together? Ball and a cake. No, those don't go together. I wonder if I can find that match. Let's try a ball and a bat. Do those work together? Yes, those do work together because you hit the ball with the bat. Those go together. What about candles and shoes? Do those go together? No, those do not go together. What about socks and shoes? Do those go together? Yes, because we wear socks when we're wearing our shoes. Those go together. All right, last one. Let's see. I have a cake and candles. Do cake and candles go together? Yes, you might do that like on your birthday and stuff where you put candles on your cake to blow out. So those go together. So today your assignment on Seesaw is going to be to go to the next page and you're going to be reviewing some of the stuff we've done all week. So you're going to find those matches of exactly the same or almost the same. And then you're also going to find things that go together just like what we just did. Okay, so you're going to be finding the picture that goes with the other picture. So take a look at that, do your assignment, and then send it to your teacher. Good luck with the rest of your